It's undeniable that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I will never. The basis is need to know. If you don't know just how I feel, then let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in time will reveal.
Brian McKnight.
Yeah, one, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. If ever I believe my work is done, say farewell to the dark night. I see the coming of the sun. I feel like a little child whose life has just begun. You came and breathed your life into this lonely heart of mine. You threw out a life of life just in the nick of time. You're like a dream come true. Just wanna be with you. If ever I believe my work is done, then I'll start it back at one.
Hi! The last minute! Hi, what's your name?
Hi, coaches. My name is Brandon Kailungab.
Bukod sa pagkanta, what else do you like doing?
I like to compose songs.
Sample muna ng sinulat mo ng kanta, kung pwede.
Sure. This song is entitled My Favorite Love Song. The two of us, holding hands together, singing songs together. Oh, the two of us, caring for each other and doing it again and again and again. It's undeniable that we should be together.
Kumakanta ako, sinabihan mo akong gwapo ako. Binastos ako. Sarili kong programa. Kumanta ako, sinabihan akong gwapo.
Brandon, ang galing-galing-galing mo. Sobrang sayang. I feel sorry na hindi ako umikot para sa'yo.
Brandon, because my requirement for that song is medyo konting sakit, may konting soul.
Hey, Brandon, yung timbre at yung tono ng boses mo, ang ganda.
Thank you po.
Nung medyo umakyat ka na, pero medyo nahirapan na. Assuming na ako, we shall also investigate and explore kung
I like that.
gaano pa kalalim yung hugot mo. You're 17 years old, so marami ka pang mararanasan sa buhay. At sana meron din akong maipapayo at ma-share din sa'yo in order to help you interpret some of these more painful songs a little more effectively. So I'm hoping that you come this way. Na dito ka. Dito ka lang tumingin.
Oh, man.
I know I look 35, but I'm 51. I have more life experiences and painful. That one happy eh. Okay?
Happy.
Very happy. Up to Broadway. But no, seriously, Brandon, kahit naman sino sa amin piliin mo, you'll be in good hands. Pero pag ako, syempre, mas mag-e-effort ako. So I'll just let him speak for me since we've worked together so many times and he has worked with Brian McKnight. Let's watch this.
Oh, I know this.
Sharon is one of the most caring, sincere artists that you'll ever meet. I think if I were to have her as a coach, if I could have her as a coach now, or if I had her as a coach when I was a teenager, I think I would be a much better singer, but more than anything else, a much better person. I don't think you could be a credible singer if you're not a good person. Sharon is a good person. She's the coach for you. I promise you, at the very least, you will last in this business forever.
Yeah!
Okay, Brandon. So sino sa aming dalawa yung
It's
pipiliin
gonna
mo?
be Brandon.
Ang pipilian ko pong coach ay, I think, makatulong sa akin.
Hi!
Coach Leia po.
Oh. Woo. I wasn't sure how that was gonna go. But here you go.
Wow!